have a lot of admiration for China's resiliency during the COVID period. I think it sends a great signal that China, again, is committed to demonstrating that they have moved to a new place in the management of this pandemic. I think we'll be able to demonstrate that the progress of China is at a high level, and the resilience of China is at a very high level as well. That's important not only for China, but I think to the rest of the world. So we chose that area because we live here, we work here, and we're part of the local ecosystem. And so being in that part of the CIIE was actually important to us. I stay because I enjoy it.
Passport. There you go.
Take care. Bye.
Just to get myself a ticket so I can now get on the plane. I feel quite safe coming to Shanghai.
纽西兰分享到了中国优化营商环境、贸易便利化的红利。周一挤的奶，周二能上飞机，周三就能到达消费者餐桌，在原来是不可想象的。我非常感谢进博会搭建了这样一个多边贸易、多赢共赢的平台。
We saw also that the country managed very well this epidemic, and it gives confidence, you know, that we can back to work, we managed to operate fast again. So it gives us a lot of positive vibes for the year and the years to come.
Like, we're so impressed that CIIE is carrying on. I think it really shows the resilience of the Chinese people, the economy. When times are tough, we have to pull together, work together and share.
I think that the Expo will definitely help the economy to recover, and China has been very resilient.
It really signals the further opening up of the domestic market in China, and also China striving to be more integrated in the world.
中国人常说“不到长城非好汉”。当前世界经济发展面临严峻挑战，我们要坚定信心，增强勇气，共克时艰。中国愿同各国一道，在开放中创造机遇，在合作中破解难题，携手创造人类更加美好的明天。